What's up everyone, welcome back to another plan with me, Plan with Anna. This time I'm using my classic happy planner and it's a very special one because I decided to use my April 2018 Simply Gilded subscription kit. And look how it turned out, look how amazing this looks. I was so happy with how it turned out, guys. Like, I can't stop staring at it, like it's right in front of me right now. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing how I did the spread, then just keep watching. Okay, so here goes my current classic happy planner. I just pulled out the pouch, which had the washi tapes, the stickers that I'll be using, and all of the above. I must say I'm never disappointed whenever she comes out with these monthly subscription kits because the colors are just so pretty. These are the two sticker sheets I'll be using and they're rose gold foiled, so I pulled out a bunch of rose gold foiled stuff, actually all of my rose gold foiled collection right now. Some Bubblemonstickersco stickers and I think some like Planning Like a Pro and Simply Watercolor Co. Stuff like that. Honestly, in my spreads there's really never enough stickers, so I always try to pull in from different places, so that's what I'm doing right now. And that sticky note that you just saw on the page is actually just my pre-planning sheet. Okay, and I'm going in with just whiting out basically everything. So while I white my stuff out, I'm going to talk to you guys about something that I've been thinking about doing lately. You know how there's just conventional plan with me's and things like that. I want to be unconventional, if that's even a word. What I mean by that is I want to do more challenging plan with me spreads, like plan with me with only, I don't know, washi tapes, or plan with me with only blah blah blah. Get what I'm saying? So this one I used only my April 2018 Simply Gilded subscription kit. I mean, I did pull some other things in, like my other foiled stickers and also some Bubblemon stickers and stuff like that. But going forward, I do want to challenge myself to be a little different and just to think more outside of the box because I honestly think that it makes life more interesting. And if I were a viewer, I would want to watch videos that are challenging and things like that just to see how the creator does what she does. So here I started off by laying down my washi tape and then putting some date covers down. The reason why I put the washi tape there was because my dates before from the original happy planner is super high and then you can see the whiteout when you're putting on the date dots, so I didn't want that. So that's why I covered it up with washi and then just layered some date covers on top of that. Anyways, I know that I said in my last video that that last video was my second to last vertical weekly plan with me because I only had like one left, but to be quite frank, I checked again and I didn't have enough sheets to finish that vertical weekly spreads, and I only had my horizontal kit, and honestly I'm just too lazy to print out some more inserts and cut them down right now because I'm focusing on my finals. So I decided to go into my classic happy planner because I kind of missed planning in it. Also, the Planner Girl exclusive sale just passed and I ordered a bunch of horizontal kits from the Graceful Planners, so I'm waiting for those to come, and when they do, you already know I'm gonna try out that horizontal weekly spread. So yeah, that's why I am switching back to the classic happy planner for now, but I still am using my mini happy just for like carry on and overviews and whatnot. Okay, now I'm just putting down my date dots, and I just used a sheet that I pulled out from a random Mombi sticker book. I don't know which one, but they're just these transparent date dots that you can just put down. And at first I put it on the washi itself, but I realized later on that you couldn't really see it. So here you see me trying to put the date dots on top instead. And I kind of liked it better because you can actually see the numbers, more functional that way. And yeah, so I went back and just put the other ones on the washi up to the top. Then my next tackle was the bottom washis. So I used the silver preppy polka dotted gold foiled washi and the paper crane washi on top. And I'm just whiting out the areas where you might be able to see some black through the washi. So let me tell you something. Life with washi is so much better than a life without washi. That is the honest truth, guys. they just make everything so much prettier, especially if they're foiled washi. It just makes everything pop. Alright, and after this one, we have managed to make it past the first obstacle, which is setting up the dates and washi and everything like that. And then I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna work on the sidebar later because I usually do that. So I started just working on Monday, and at first I wanted to center that to-do sticker or today sticker, but I ended up doing an off-center look because I can. And then I just cut down a checklist and just put that down. See, my problem with the Happy Planner, or at least the classic Happy Planner in Plan With Me spreads, is that there's way too much space and I just don't know what to do with it. So a lot of the times it ends up being a lot more decorative than functional. So when I first did this spread, I was wondering, did I overdo it and did I overkill this? But no, I did not. There's never enough stickers, like I said. So you can't see it, but the first to do on there actually says gym. I used the foiled sticker from Stickie Committee, and then for the next to do thing I put study quiz, and then I put a Bubblemon sticker running on a treadmill looking like it's dying because I basically will be. And then the next thing I did was just put some washi down to kill some space, honestly. And then I put a Bubblemon sticker down and wrote down tofu dish because I wanted to cook something and use the tofu I have in my fridge. On another note, you guys, I am so excited. I've only got 2 more weeks of school left and then I am done. I've got an exam every week, so this week I have 2, and then next week I have my final, and then freedom! I'm so excited. Let's celebrate. Oh, I've been meaning to go to Hobby Lobby, but plans change all the time, guys. Like, there's this day where I couldn't use the car, and then another thing happened after another thing, and I just couldn't go to Hobby Lobby. So that's why you haven't really seen a sneaky peek at me going to Hobby Lobby for the first time. I really want to vlog my first time going to Hobby Lobby though, because I feel like I might just be in Planner Paradise. I'm not really sure what it's like there, but I know that a lot of planner peoples go there, so I gotta try it out. Anyways, like I said, I use full boxes for when I need to block off a large chunk of amount of time for a certain thing. So Mondays and Wednesdays usually are my school days, so I have class at night 6 to 9, and that's what I put that full box down for. And then I cut up a washi strip and just made it into a long flag, put down a remember sticker, and then pulled out my top knot double shot fox and pip babe and just put it down on there. Okay, so I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy watching this, and I'll pop in here and there when I feel like I need to explain myself. So enjoy!
I like it. I like it.
Hello, hi. Here I wanted to try out something that I've seen Nikki Plus 3 do so many times in her Plan With Me spreads, and I thought it'd be super pretty with all these Simply Gilded washies just hanging down like a banner. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just cutting down the washies and then cutting them into flags, and then eventually I'm just going to make it into a weekend banner.
I like it.
I probably will be incorporating this into my future spreads because I think it's just so pretty and it just adds such a different yet nice vibe to your spreads. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know what I'm saying, right? It's so pretty. How can you not? Actually, I think that's all the explaining I had to do left in this Plan With Me, so I'm just gonna end my voiceover here. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. It was super fun and super therapeutic for me. I definitely spent my time and did not rush myself this time around because
I like it.
it was just, yeah, it was nice. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys in my next video, and as always, if you do appreciate this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!
I like it.